Hey, how you doing? Map here, Micro Map Investments, bringing you another stock market video. 2:15 on April 4th. Let's take a look at the futures. I'm on my lunch break here from work. Take a look at some of these futures here, and maybe put some live trades. I mean, I should have done yesterday another video on what happened with oil exploding, with the OPEC cut. I think oil's going to go much higher. XOP XLE, one of my biggest winners so far since my last videos. I told you that's another way you could play energy. I've been adding that on the dips. Um, Oil's going to go much higher. Our strategic petroleum reserves have 40-year lows, and we're in a lot of trouble. We're in a lot of trouble. Um, and the market's telling us here that we are in trouble. The Dixie is crumbling to 101.63, down 46, 10-year. Now interest rates are falling, and I think the market's trying to play chicken with the Fed because the Fed says they're going to hike, and the market's saying no, you're not. So there's a fight between the market and what the Fed's going to do, and interest rates have to go higher. But you have the dynamics of interest rate going higher and just crushing the banks, which is already one financial crisis that we had with Silicon Valley Bank basically crumbling because they were, long duration, long on the long end of the curve. When the front end of the curve, interest rates exploded higher, so that caused the financial crisis. Higher interest rates causes a financial crisis because we are a debt driven society, country, and it's unfortunate. And it's unfortunate that we have all this crap going on today about what's going on with the ex-president and stuff like that, when we have some serious issues going on here, when we have countries all over the world looking to the the dollarize, they're dropping the dollar. So the market's telling you this today. Gold is up today a whopping $36. It's at 2037. I've been preaching on the channel to make sure you have your precious metals. It's not going to make you rich, but it's going to protect your purchasing power. You got to be in precious metals. You got to be in commodities. Bitcoin's up a little bit. Gold and silver exploding. Ether is up nicely compared to Bitcoin today. Small caps down 35. Hogs got killed. I picked up some Tyson food because I think the lower pork prices might be better for them. Meat prices are staying stable because that's a tight supply on that. Foreign currencies are mixed, but most of them will probably higher against the dollar. But my hedge against the dollar weakness is not foreign currency, which is all fiat crap. It's gold and silver. Um, Copper's down because it's industrial metal, but I do like copper in the long haul. S&P down 25, oil up 25 cents, Nasdaq down 48, Dow Jones down 238, Nat gas trying to find the bottom. All the grains are down, and we talked about the interest rates. The rates are going down. So let's take a look. I haven't done any trades today. Um, like I said, I should have done a video last night on oil, but this video definitely has to be on precious metals, and you have to own precious metals. Silver up $1.10, up a whopping 4% today. Gold is up another 1 point. I can't see. I'm blind. Almost 2%. So let's take a look at the most high IV stocks. Here we go. From IV rank, just quick recap on see what I have on some of these high IVs. I might have trades on most of them. Let's start with some of the bigger ones with the highest volume. Butterfly Network, no interest. It's very low dollar stock. I'm not interested in that crap. I have a position in Dish. Lumen, not too low dollar, not interested. Mullen, another one crappy. Arbor, I have a position already. AMC, AMC, a lot of volume. Let's see what IV rank is. Let's see here. AMC. IV rank 56. There probably won't be much to do here. IV rank 75. Um, yeah, maybe we could do a put credit spread in here. 45 days out. Have they had earnings? Let's see. Let's take a look at the earnings. Let's go over here. AMC trade. I like trading on the Tasty Trade platform. For me, it's much easier, cleaner. You hit this tab over here. They have earnings May 5th. Close this. Now remember, there was some speculation that Amazon wanted to get into these people. Let's go out. Let's see. Let's go out 45 days. 45 days. And let's just do a regular put credit spread. Well, you can collect 77 on the 3-2 spread. That's what it says here. That's pretty crazy. I don't think that's accurate. Let's see. That can't be accurate. I don't think that's accurate. It says it's accurate. You're gonna hit working. That's working. That's pretty crazy because that's a dollar wide spread. Let's see here. Let's try give them 5 cents. Nah, yeah, I don't think it's gonna get filled. Oh yeah, there we go. Filled at 68 cents. So we did a live trade on AMC. I did a put credit spread. So now I'm gonna go over here to AMC and we're gonna close for 50% profit, and that would be 34 cents. Let's do 30 and set it there. Boom. That's one trade there. These small little trades add up. You know? You see how they have little trades here? They all add up. I don't know what I'm up today on this account. I haven't really paid attention. I've been working, trying to sell some cars. Wow, look at United Rentals down $30. What happened here? URI. URI. So what's going on here? Let me get a swig of water. I haven't stopped all day. So shares of company and broader industrial training sympathy job openings. So yeah, I didn't even talk about that. Let me go to the one of the economists I like, Mr. Pistol Pete here, Peter Schiff. Let's see. So ISM, is this today's news? Well, this was yesterday's. So ISM manufacturing tumbles to post-COVID lows, employment slow, and also the JOLTS report today was a lot lower in job openings, and we had some other kind of news that was pretty bad. So weaker than expected February factory orders and job openings unexpectedly plunging below 10 million, even before the recent financial crisis and jump in oil prices has sent gold prices surging over 2020, and the dollar index is tanking to below 102. Gold stocks remain cheap. So we had factory orders and job openings plunge. That was the bad news today. And also URI. So that's why URI is down because of the broader weakness in the economy. All right, so let's take a look at URI and see if there's good spreads in there. Type bid ask. Confirm the IV. So 56 IV, pretty high. URI, boom, 64 on the URI. So big. Let's take a look where earnings is. That's a big company. Earnings is 426. Trade 426. So we will be in the earnings cycle. Let's take a look. I don't really want to get involved in earnings. So 426, maybe here on the 17 day. There's some they're a little wide. They're a dollar wide. That's what I don't like about this one. They're pretty wide. Let's take a look at the chart. Let's take a look at maybe 180 days. So wow, it's coming up to a point here. This was a $481 stock, and we're down to 358, and that seems to be getting to a point here. Interesting level. Very interesting level. $25 billion company. That seems pretty cheap for United Rentals. I might do a put credit spread here. I don't want to do an iron condor. I think the stock has sold off too much here. So I, let's take a look at the 17-day and maybe do a $5 wide spread here. Let's see here. Let's take a look at short put vertical 17 days out. We're going to try and get a good credit for a decent pop. So you can go to 71, probability of profit 340, 335, collect $1.25. Your probability of profit is 71%. Actually, this is why is it affecting me so much in the buying power? It's only $5 wide. See, you got to pay attention. That's why I have two accounts. Yeah, you see how much they're reducing here? 775. Now you're gonna go over here and do the same trade. And they're only taking away 386. Why you gotta have a couple accounts, in my opinion. Let's throw this up to $1.25. I wish I could. I don't know. Maybe I should go closer. Let's take a look at the chart because I would like to get a bigger credit chart. No. Let's go to trade active. Let me see. I want to see this here. I want to zoom this here. I mean, it seems like great support at the 350. You know, it really does, and that. This is a really good company, but 350 puts me at 61 pop, and I get $1.60 credit. This one's 66, $1.40. I think this one might be my safer. Let's try that one. Let's try that one. 345, 340 for $1.40. Let's try and get 5 cents more. Send it in. And it's working by 5 cents. I'll leave it there, see if it gets filled by 5 cents. Maybe it keeps falling. See how long this video is. 12 minutes. Alright, so let's take a look at another one. I have SMIC. I never got filled in Manchester yesterday. We could try and do another one in Manchester. I pretty much know what I want to do here. I want to do 56 days out. No, 45 days out, and I want to do this right here. See if it gets filled. I'll even give him 2 cents. Let's give him. Oop, I got taken out. Trade, put. Sorry. I'll give him. I'll give him the 2 cents here, and I'll try and do 60. 57. They want to give me 57, 52. Let's try and do 55. I want to get filled here. They're not even working with me. Well, we'll let it sit there and marinate. We'll let us see what happens. What else? Let's see here. Where bar chart? Okay, boom. Rapid. What happened with Rapid? I think Rapid is kind of widespread. Rapid. Let's see what Rapid has. Any news on Rapid? No news on Rapid, but heavy volume. Let's see what else. No, nothing here. Let's see if there's earnings on Rapid. I don't think this markets will be too good. It's got a good IV rank, 56. Earnings on 5.3. Rapid. High IV, a lot of puts to call. Earnings, 5.3. See Iron Condor. So yeah, we would be in their earnings is 5.3, and this is 5.19. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. But I don't think these markets are very tight. Uh, they're not that bad. Some action here in the 60s. They're not that bad. Uh, let's take a look at chart on Rapid. Here's the high, 55. Yeah, maybe like an iron condor. Just keep it within here, maybe in that range. It's 55, 60. Nah, this 45 is too close. Go back maybe 40. Now this would be like a chicken iron condor because you're collecting half of the spread, and it's pretty much 58 is 50%, 50-50 trade. It's like a chicken iron condor. Let's see if we go out a little bit more. Well, you can go out a little bit more. This is more interesting here. This is a lot more interesting here. Yeah, this is a pretty good trade, I think, actually. Let's send this one. I don't even know if they have. Yeah, they got bids ask here. And what else did I do? And the 60-65. Let's make sure they have some action in it. Yeah, there's some bid and ask here. So that one's working. We have this one working, and we have this one working. Let's see if they get filled while we're doing the video. Got 3 more minutes. I don't want to. I just keep it within 20 minutes of the video. We tried MCB yesterday, but we didn't get any luck on MCB. USB I already have. We did AMC, Bed Bath and Beyond. I don't even want to mess with that. Let me see, Bed Bath and Beyond, just out of curiosity. That thing's been, that thing's going bankrupt. Yeah, you can't do anything in here. That's horrible. All right, let's see here. Nothing there. What else do we have with a lot of volume? USB I have. Wells Fargo, look at that. 85,000 contracts. I think I have a position in Wells Fargo. I haven't been able to close it. I'm up $14. I have an iron flag 14 days out. So I'm not even going to mess with that one. I have a position already, waiting for it to close at a profit, 25%. Meta, we know that doesn't have that IV. Bank of America, I have positions. Space, I have a position. Zion Bank, high IV. MPW, I have a position. Intel, I have a position. Nikola Garbage, Activision, Ford. I don't think Ford has that IV. Pretty sure Ford doesn't have that IV. 23. And I know because I do this every day, so I know that IV on that bar chart is not as accurate as the platform, the CS low IV. Um, the Googles I have position. That's pretty much on the above 50 IV rank. Let's take a look quick recap. Got a minute or so. See if anything else here I see, and maybe I'll do a follow-up video at the tonight, just touching on overall stuff in the market in general. Gilead, let's take a look at Gilead, see if they really are that high IV. Oh, Gilead has 52 IV rank. Wow, they must have earnings soon. This is a big Drug maker. This is a good one. But they have 21 here. Interesting. Two completely different. So maybe earnings is around the corner for Gilead. 427. I was right. 427, which is next week. So Gilead probably is. Uh, we'll wait on Gilead for next week. We'll do something maybe for earnings. That's a good one. All right, guys. Anyways, I'm already 20 minutes into the video. I hope you like some of the live trading. I hope you enjoy this format. Um, you see now they changed this rapid. Uh, you can always go back and say, okay, maybe I want to give you 5 cents and drop it 5 cents. See if they bite. Manu, if you want to go 50-50, you can go down 50, try and make a 25 bucks here. Let's see. It's set. Nothing yet. I don't know what happened there. They dropped their bid ask. Rapid. Let's take a look over here. At least we did one live trade. United might get filled. It's at 145. So I'll give you. Maybe I'll do if I don't get too busy. Another one tonight. Bueno, take care, fellow subscribers, and share the video. Share the video. Anybody that likes to trade or is looking for some extra income, trade small. Little trades add up over time, and have fun with it and stay engaged in the markets. And I'll see you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.